Hi there! We are making spinach lamb pilaf today. Let's get all the ingredients ready and get started. Marinate a kg of lamb or 2 pounds with thick yogurt, salt and turmeric. A good lamb pilaf always calls for great ingredients like thick coconut milk and fresh baby spinach. Chill the marinated lamb in the fridge for 20 minutes. Wash and soak 2 pounds or 1 kg of basmati or Sona Masuri rice and set aside. Now, let's make a puree of spinach, chilies and onions. Once this is ready, set this aside. Now let's get a heavy bottom saucepan on medium heat. To this, let's add oil and ghee in equal quantities. Once this starts to shimmer, let's add in our whole spices. We can add bay leaves, cinnamon sticks, cloves, cardamom and fennel seeds. When the spices turn aromatic, let's add in onions. Saute this well and add in your ginger garlic paste. Fry that until the raw smell disappears and add in your tomatoes. Cook this well until the tomatoes are nice and pulpy. To this, add your marinated meat and cook it until the oil separates. Now let's add in the powders, turmeric, coriander and garam masala. To this add salt and then add the spinach chili puree I had made earlier. Combine this well and then add in your coconut milk. Now 1 kg of rice would be 5 cups, which means you will need about 10 cups of liquid for this. That would be your spinach puree, your coconut milk as well as water combined. Measure that right and bring it to a rolling boil. Now drain your soaked rice and add this into the pilaf and let it cook. Once the rice starts to cook halfway through and skims to the surface, squeeze in fresh lime juice and add a few spoons of ghee. Now cover this and let it cook until most of the liquid has been absorbed. This is the time we are going to steam cook it. Use a clean, thick kitchen towel. Cover it over the pot. And then place your lid tightly over this. Lower the heat down all the way to a sim and let this cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. Turn off the heat and let the pilaf rest for about 15 minutes. Remove the lid, fluff the pilaf and enjoy it hot with raita or a curry on the side. Enjoy!